Students, let's start our activity. To do this activity, you just need a paper. I took here a chart piece and I decorated with my creativity. You use your creativity to decorate that. You can use a chart paper, or else you can use an A4 sheet, or any of the paper you can use, but make it neat. Then what else you need? You need a few books, any of the books, any of the textbooks, any big books. See, I have taken big books with many pages, right? Like that, you have to take few books. Then what you have to do in this activity? The first thing you have to do is, take a book and randomly open a page, any of the page, and see the page number. So can you see the page number here? 103. So the first number what I have taken here, first page I got 103. Now in this table, you have to make a table like this. So in this table, 3 columns should be there. So here 103. The next column is after page number. So it means after this 103, turn the page, and what page you got here? See what page we got here? 104. Right? So now I am writing here 104. Why? Because I got 104 there. Then, so what page I got before this 103? So what page I got here? 102. Right? So like that, we have to repeat the activity with many of the books. Now I had taken a small book, so I got a small number. So let's take a big book and do this. Then we'll get a big number, right? So here, see the number? Can you see the number? 713. The second page number I got is 713. So what page I will get before? What is the page number? 712. Now the next page number after 713 is 714. I got here 714. You will not get the same numbers. Let's repeat the activity with our maths textbook. Till now you haven't seen our maths textbook, right? This is your math textbook of your 4th class. So let us take any of the page number here. See, I have taken a page and the number here is 229. So let's write third one is 229 I get. So what I get, I should write in the middle. Even you have to do the same. So whatever you get the page number in that book, you write that in the middle. And that before number, so the before number, that before number you will write before side. Before column is there, right? In that column you are going to write. So after this 229, what you will get the next page number? So any guesses? See here, 230. Right. So this is very simple activity, right? Now, so what you have to do at your home, take many books, take many textbooks. You can take any of the book, either your father book or mother book, whatever. You can take big books, and randomly you should open a page and you have to write the number, and you should write the before number and after number. This is the activity you have to do. So at least you should do 10. You have to note down 10 readings. Now I showed you 3 readings and I am expecting that you should note down nearly 10 readings for that. You have to note down 10 readings, and you will not get the same readings as I get here, right? After you note down all the readings, then continue to see my video. So till then you pause the video, you start doing this activity, then pause the video, then continue the video once you finish your work. Okay students, let's continue why we have done this activity. So we have noted few page numbers and we have written the page number after that one and before that one, right? So let us see what we call this before and after. So the after page number, or a number after a number, we call it as successor. We call it as Successor. A number that comes after any number. So here, for example, let us take the same here. 103 is there, right? So the first page number we got here is 103. The next number is 104. The number after this 103 is 104, right? This after number which comes after a particular number, we call that as successor. Say again, successor. A number which comes before a number, we call it as predecessor. Today our concept is to learn about successors and predecessor of a number. So it is little bit difficult to pronounce it. So practice. It is a successor and this is a predecessor. Learn the spelling by writing it 5 times. So let's understand this better by giving many examples. See here, let's take a number 3498. 3498. Now to this number we have to write a successor and we have to write a predecessor. Successor is nothing but a after number. Successor is nothing but a after number. Predecessor is nothing but a before number, right? So here 3498. What comes after 3498? Think. 3498 after we'll get 3499, right? Then what comes before 3498? Right, 3497 we'll get. Let's see 2 more examples here. We'll go with a big number, 68,701. So we have to write a successor to this number and a predecessor to this number. So in your previous classes you have learnt before number and after number. So now the terms only changed. After number we call it as successor. Before number you call it as predecessor. So the successor of 68,701 is 68,702. So predecessor of 68,701 is 68,700. Right? This is only you have done in your activity. So we have taken a page number, right? So for example, if you take a page number 100. So what will come after this page? So 100 page we got now. What comes after this 100 page? It's very simple. We'll get 101 page. What comes before this 100 page number? This you have to think. So we'll get 99. So before 100 we'll get 99. Like that. So now think about 1000. So before 1000 what you will get? So what is a predecessor for 1000? Right, 999. So before 1000 you will get 999. So after 1000 you will get 1001. So the same way if you see 10,000 you will get 9,999. So you can keep this in your mind. Here it is a 5-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for the predecessor, we got here 4 digits. So before 10,000, you will get 9,999. So before 100, you get 99. 100 is a 3-digit number, 99 is a 2-digit number. So after 99 only, you will get 100. Then 999 is a 3-digit number, 1000 is a 4-digit number. Right? So only few numbers you should think and answer. Remaining all you can say simply. Right? So let us understand the definition of successor and predecessor now. So successor is very simple. A successor of a number will get by adding 1 to that number. To a number. So we'll see these examples only. So 3498. So if you add 1 to this 3498, what you will get? 3499. Right? That is successor only. So if we add 1 to a number, then we'll get one answer, right? that answer is a successor to that number. So 68,701. What is a successor for 68,701? 68,702. So how we get this? By adding 1. 1 plus 1, 2 and 0786. So 68,701 plus 1 is 68,702. Right? So the definition of successor is the successor of a number will get by adding 1 to that number. The same, but here by subtracting 1 from that number. Here we added, right? To get after number we added. To get before number we have to subtract it. Let's see here. 3,498 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7, 9, 4, 3. 3,497. The before answer also we got the same. 3,497. How we got this answer? By subtracting 1 from the given number. So it is clumsy, right? Let's understand with a new example here. Right. So let's take a number 499. So to write a successor to this number, we have to add 1 to this number. Right? 9 plus 1, 10. You all know additions very well, right? 9 plus 1, again 10. 4 plus 1, 5. So the successor for 499 is 500. Successor means after number. Then the same 499, let's find out predecessor. So 499 minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. So here 498. Got it? So successor, if you want to get a successor, you have to add 1 to a number. If you want to get predecessor, you have to minus 1, subtract 1 from that number. Or else you can simply directly understand that the after number and before number. But you shouldn't confuse what is a successor and what is a predecessor. So practice the spellings of successor and predecessor 5 times in your book. And today I am going to give you 5 numbers. To that 5 numbers, you have to write successor and predecessor. Right? That's all for today. Thank you.